Hangzhou Lin'an Huarui Clothing Company Limited was established in 2007. It's a professional garment manufacturer serving customers mainly in USA, Canada, Western Europe, South America, Mexico, RS. Our team will be fully responsible for the entire production process. Hangzhou Lin'an Huarui Clothing Company Limited is located in Lin'an, Hangzhou City, Zhejiang Province, China. The factory covers an area of more than 2,000 square meters with 5 sewing lines, 100 sets of sewing machines, 115 experienced workers, and quality control staff. Our production line capacity can reach 100,000 pieces per year. We also have cooperated factory, which located in Anqing City, Anhui Province. The factory covers an area of about 3,000 square meters with 5 production lines. The estimated production capacity line can reach 150,000 pieces per year. Over 20 subcontractors help sell the orders with qualified products and on-time delivery. We will devote to provide you high-quality products and competitive price. With new managing mode, advanced technology, thoughtful service, and excellent quality file management, we are always adhere to customers' requirement in variance position. If necessary, we're welcome to contact us. We are welcoming you at any time to cooperate with you.